my dear students, now we need to talk about rest of the phases, particularly phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4 of the interview. What are these phases? First one is asking questions, then answering questions and providing information. So these are the three phases, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. But their sequence can be changed and we have three different options of such kind of sequence. Interviewers have flexibility with regard to the order of phases 2, 3 and 4. Here are some popular options which we can talk. Option 1. You can see that the phase 1, which is in a black font, and the phase 5, this is similar for all of the interviewees, but second phase, third phase and fourth phase have a different sequence. This is option 1, that you have to ask questions in the start, then you have to answer the question about the company, and then you have to provide information about the company and the job opening. Asking questions immediately following your opening remarks give you an advantage in that applicants can't parrot anything he heard you say about the job as part of this answer. So it is quite tricky for the applicant. This approach also reveals the applicant's knowledge of the company. So it is good that you are asking questions in the start, and it can be very good for the interviewer that he can determine the applicant knowledge about the company. It can, however, be unnerving for applicant feeling uneasy and needing more time to settle in. So if you are asking this question in the very start, obviously it may lead to the applicant little uneasy and it would need more time to settle in for the interview. So it is quite tricky for the applicant, but it is quite advantageous for the interviewer. That is an option 2. You can see the phase 1 and the phase 5 is similar, but there is a sequence, there's a change in the sequence of phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. In this option 2, you have to provide information in the very start, then you have to answer questions and then ask questions in the fourth phase. So what is the benefit for this phase? With the interviewer doing most of the talking at the beginning of the interview, applicants are likely to feel more at ease. So who is getting edge from here? Applicant is getting edge here because interviewer is allowing applicant to get more time to settle in. Interviewer is providing more and more information in the start. In the first phase, as an introductory remarks, he was talking, who was talking? Interviewer were talking. In second phase, who is talking? Again, interviewer is talking. So it would provide an ease to the applicant, and applicants are likely to feel more at ease because most of the information and most of the remarks are coming from the interviewer, and it would give more time to applicant to settle in for the further interviewing process. However, providing too much information before applicants can describe their capabilities may give away the job and feed applicants a key information. So this is in all ways this is good for the applicant, but providing more information in the start can be disadvantageous too. Option 3, just look again. The phase 1 and phase 5 is similar, but there is a change in the sequence at the phase 2 and phase 3 and phase 4 of the interview process. In the phase 2, you have to answer questions, then you have to ask questions, and at the phase 4, you have to provide information about the company and the job opening. Some interviewers like to invite applicants to ask questions before proceeding. So this option is not much common. You are giving an option to the applicant that he can ask whatever he wants to in the start of the interview. The interviewer is usually looking for some insight as the person's current level of knowledge about the job and the company. So it gives the knowledge to the interviewer that how much applicant is serious about this job opening and the company, and how much the interviewee, means applicant, know about the job opening and the company. So it gives an edge and it gives an idea to the interviewer that the applicant has ample knowledge about the job opening in the company, and he looks to be very much serious in getting this job. In all fairness, however, your statements may generate many of the applicant's questions. Asking questions before providing information gives some interviewers a great sense of control. So it provides a great sense of control, and it can help may generate many of the applicants' questions as well. So this option can be very practical as well.